Ever feel like business banking is designed to nickel and dime you at every turn? Like you're constantly deciphering a hidden code of fees just to understand how much it really costs to manage your money? I know I have. And for small business owners, those fees can really eat into your profits. Today, we're diving deep into a specific business banking platform to uncover exactly what you can expect to pay. We're talking about NorthOne. Now, NorthOne has positioned itself as a modern, mobile-first banking solution designed specifically for small businesses, freelancers, and startups. They emphasize simplicity and transparency, which sounds great, but does it hold up when we examine their fee structure? That's what we're here to find out. Before we jump into the specific fees, it's important to understand why banks charge fees in the first place. It's not just about padding their bottom line, though that's certainly a factor. Fees help cover the costs of running the bank, maintaining infrastructure, providing customer support, and developing new features. When considering any banking platform, it's crucial to weigh the fees against the value you receive in terms of features, convenience, and support. So, let's get down to brass tacks. What fees can you expect with a NorthOne account? The most important fee to understand is the monthly membership fee. NorthOne operates on a subscription model, meaning you pay a flat monthly fee for access to their services. As of right now, this fee is $10 per month. This is a crucial distinction from traditional banks, which often charge a variety of transaction fees, minimum balance fees, and other miscellaneous charges. NorthOne's approach aims to provide predictable pricing, making it easier to budget. Now, this $10 monthly fee covers a lot. It includes unlimited transactions, both incoming and outgoing. This means you can send and receive payments, make purchases, and transfer funds without incurring per transaction fees. This is a significant advantage for businesses with high transaction volumes. Imagine a small online store processing dozens of sales daily. With traditional banking, each of those transactions could incur a fee, adding up quickly. With NorthOne, you are covered by the flat monthly fee. Another key feature included in the monthly fee is access to NorthOne's suite of digital tools. This includes their mobile app, which allows you to manage your account, pay bills, deposit checks remotely, and track your spending. They also offer integrations with popular accounting software like QuickBooks and Xero, streamlining your financial management. These integrations can save you considerable time and effort compared to manually entering data. Now, while the core banking features are covered by the monthly fee, there are a few instances where you might encounter additional charges. Let's explore those. One area where fees can apply is with certain types of transfers. While standard ACH transfers are included in the monthly fee, wire transfers, both domestic and international, typically incur a fee. These fees vary depending on the destination and the amount being transferred. Wire transfers are generally used for larger, time-sensitive transactions, so it's important to be aware of these associated costs if your business frequently uses them. You'll need to check NorthOne's current fee schedule for the most up-to-date pricing on wire transfers. Another potential fee to be aware of is for out-of-network ATM withdrawals. While NorthOne provides access to a large network of ATMs, using an out-of-network ATM will likely result in a fee charged by the ATM operator. This is a common practice across most banking institutions. To avoid these fees, it's best to plan ahead and use in-network ATMs whenever possible. It's also worth noting that NorthOne does not currently offer overdraft protection. This means that if you attempt to make a transaction that exceeds your available balance, the transaction will be declined. While this might seem like a limitation, it can also be seen as a way to avoid costly overdraft fees, which can quickly spiral out of control with traditional banks. So, to recap, the primary fee associated with a NorthOne account is the $10 monthly membership fee. This covers unlimited transactions, access to their digital tools, and integrations with accounting software. Additional fees may apply for wire transfers and out-of-network ATM withdrawals. There are no fees for standard ACH transfers, incoming or outgoing, and no minimum balance requirements. Now, let's compare this to traditional business banking. Many traditional banks charge a monthly maintenance fee, which can often be higher than NorthOne's $10. On top of that, they frequently charge per transaction fees, fees for exceeding transaction limits, fees for low balances, fees for paper statements, and a whole host of other charges that can quickly add up. Deciphering these fees can be a headache, and they can significantly impact your bottom line. NorthOne's transparent pricing model offers a clear advantage in this regard. You know exactly what you're paying each month, making budgeting and financial planning much simpler. This predictability can be especially valuable for small businesses and startups operating on tight margins. Ultimately, whether NorthOne is the right banking solution for your business depends on your specific needs and circumstances. If you're a small business owner, freelancer, or startup that values simplicity, transparency, and digital tools, NorthOne's flat monthly fee and unlimited transactions could be a great fit. If your business heavily relies on wire transfers or prefers in-person banking services, you might need to consider other options. Remember to always review NorthOne's most current fee schedule on their website for the latest details, as fees can occasionally change. It's always best to be informed. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.